Want to move money from Chime to Cash App in under 2 minutes? Let me show you exactly how, step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So first of all, open your Cash App on your phone, and from the home screen, all you have to do is tap your profile icon in the top right corner. And then this will take you to your account settings, and now you have to do is scroll down and tap linked bank. And then all you have to do is link this debit card. And now it will ask your card details, but instead tap on no card option right there. And then all you have to do is hit continue at the bottom. Now scroll down through the bank list or just search Chime in the search bar at the top. And then again, all you have to do is continue again, and then it will redirect to the Chime login page. Just log in the way you normally do and follow the prompts. And your Chime account is now linked. Now all you have to do is go back to your Cash App account. Now in the home screen, all you have to do is tap this bank icon in the bottom left corner, and then all you have to do is click add cash, and you will see a pop-up. Either choose a present amount or tap this three bottom or dots to enter your desired amount, and then all you have to do is hit add cash just like this, and then confirm it with your Cash App pin, and now you are done. And that's it. You have successfully transferred money from Chime to Cash App. If this video helped you out, then like this video, comment down below, subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.